I just wanted to show you guys my main bathroom. Okay, we cleaned it, but I just wanted to show you. It's not completely clean yet, but I wanted to show you this. So I went with a gold motif, and I went with a this tile here that has hints of gold, hints of brown and white, okay, and gray, gold, gray, white, okay, and maybe a little bit of a black. And then to complement that on the floor, I went with this wood look tile here that's big. Again, we tried to clean that. It's not quite clean. And then this is my bathtub. You guys saw that I bought it. I've never had this before, so this is a first for me. And I know my daughter was here. I know this because this thing is not centered. Okay, so I fixed it. And this got to go. It is going. I've tried to make it work. It is going. I've made the decision. I'm not going to have this eyesore all my life here. And then for the bathtub, we have a sitting bench, which is kind of nice. I can't show you my face right now because I look like a mess, but I'm in the bathroom. So these guys need to fix because there was standing water here, and then you can see that there was standing water there. So I need them to fix this because this never goes away. But the nice thing about this bathroom, I have my mixer right there, which means I can stand outside and put in the shower and not have to get in. But right now I'm sitting. So I went again, just trying to be creative and not just plug and play. So I put that as a transition from that brown to this blackish brown floor. But you see we're using the same colors over and over. And so I have this here, which is my mixer. It's really actual nice quality compared to the other brand that I used in other rooms. And then my tap. Absolutely. And this is my view, guys. I'm just gonna pretend that I want you to see what I see when I'm here sitting in this bathtub. Oh, I'm looking like right now. Can you see? Those are sheep, and that's the village across, and the toilets. It's right there as well. And it's open. Don't know who was using it. Didn't close the door. And then, so I have this separate toilet here. And again, all the baklabas are gonna be put in. They're already here. Remember, we already had them. It's just that we had to take them down because look at these guys, the tilers, the absolute beautiful job that they did. So we need to redo it and clean some more. We'll clean up. We're gonna have to find a professional service. But look, guys, look at this tile here. Absolutely masterpiece. I mean, let me bring it really close, okay? Absolute masterpiece. This guy put these things individually, okay? And that's another view of the bathroom. And look at my lights here. And so there's going to be a vanity there, a makeup area there, a vanity there, and a what you call that? A medicine towel closet. I mean, not closet, but cabinet. But anyway, but yeah, so here's the bathroom. I'll show you the night view as well. Oh, look at this. I finally put, so there's going to be a mirror here, like a long mirror, because my closet is right here. So we're going to have a long mirror. But I just want to show you guys, I call this my Trump light, okay? Look at that. That's my Trump light. It's so gold. Look at it. And then I have this one here, which creates a nice ambience at night. And we are sitting here. We are sitting here. Oh, aren't you guys taking a shower?
No.
Anyway. Oh.
Good job.